Hey guys, I'm just doing a little garden update about the garden after our first few days of rain. We have more to come, but I always think my garden looks so vibrant after rain. I mean, I feel like they just grew and they look so much greener. Look at that. So here in SoCal, it's November and we're going to be getting more rain. Here are my mints right here I have. They're just steady growing. And then I have my salvia right here. Nothing is growing in this pot right here. I think this is going to be a beautiful sunflower. But look at the many leaves that is growing. Let's see what this is going to be. Aren't the rain drops on the flower just so beautiful? Here is some cactus that I had. I propagated them. Well, I split them. It came in one little small container and I split them, and look how big they are now. I put one half in this pot and then the other half in this pot. And look at them. Aloe vera my brother gave me. Right here I have my purple cone flower. It's ready to grow a new one. This is the second, what term should I say? It grew up to be 4 to 5 feet tall. So now it's ready to grow new. So I have some basil right here that I propagated. I have my rosemary. I'm a little nervous for it because it was getting a lot of water from the rain, and I know they don't like too much water. And I have another basil I propagated from this basil, and another flower growing. There we go. So these are some seeds that I threw, but I forgot what I'm growing here. So, but look at the raindrops. Isn't that just beautiful? And here is some succulents that I propagated as well. And here is another succulent I propagated. It's called a small pine tree. I love the name. And that is my garden, you guys, after the rain. So beautiful. But we have more rain to come. So they're going to get plenty of water and nourishments. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching.